Hi besties, have you ever tried GGS soup before? Grasscutter green soup. Oh guys, let's dive into the video. I was on my own, JJ. Then my friend walked in. She was like, I have a surprise for you. I'm like, hey, have you ever given surprise before? Please, madam. Like joke. My friend gave me this. I'm like, what is this? She said grass cutter. I'm like, hey, it's been a while I tasted grass cutter. My dear, quickly, I took it and I divided them to my preference. Okay, then I realized it's not bad, it's enough. So I washed it very well. Very well. She told me his dad smoked it with salt, so I shouldn't add more salt when cooking it, and I did. So I added some oyster, okay, in place of what do we call it, snails. Okay, I added some salmon, my mackerel salmon. Then I added some garlic and ginger. I was in a hurry, so I couldn't even blend the garlic. I added some beef seasoning, okay, and then I added all-purpose seasoning or my soup seasoning. I added some water, shrimp cube, and then a pinch of salt, since I'm not supposed to add more salt to it. Okay, so I added a pinch of salt. I covered and I transfer it onto my stove. Guys, this is the consomme, which is the cocoyam leaves, some tomatoes, pepper, and onions. So I'm going to blend that one, and there's some peanut butter paste. Okay, this peanut butter. I added some what is happening to me today, some tomato paste. I mixed it together, then I added my blended cocoyam leaves with the pepper and everything. Okay, so I am going to mix it till everything is well incorporated. Okay, I'm going to mix it very well. So after mixing, I went ahead and then poured everything onto my meat. Okay, guys, this soup, it wasn't a planned soup. Okay, it wasn't a planned soup. So I used whatever that I have to prepare this soup, and guys, trust me, this soup tastes so delicious that you don't want to miss this soup. So I added some okra and then some pepper. Okay, it's optional though. And then I added some garden eggs. Okay, guys, just look at that. This soup smells so nice. It's called katikonto, katinkwan, any contemporary. So it's called katikonto in Ghana. That's how we call it. Okay, and it smells so nice. It tastes so delicious, guys. Just look at that. Hey, my grass cutter in Ghana, we call it akrantie. It's been a while I tried this. It's been a while. If I tell you a while, then it means a while, long time ago. So I paired this with my kokonte. I bet you know that me, I don't have mortar and pestle in my house. So if I want to swallow, it's either I eat kokonte or I prepare my fufu the other way around. The last time how I showed you, that is how I prepare my fufu. And I'm not bothered because I'm not the swallow type. Okay, I'm not the fufu type. So this is it. It's ready. I'm sure you're gonna give it a try. My name is Dr. Rosie. I bring you nothing but the best. Please click on the subscribe and the notification bell. Okay, bye.